So over the 6th and 7th of September I was at Paisley, Gilmore Street filming some trains, so here's what I got. My first catcher on the 6th was 5F89, the 1350 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Ardrossan Harbour with 380015. This is 2T37, the 1350 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central with 380001. This is 2G32, the 1158 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Europe with 380113 doing the service. This is 1W43, the 1402 ScotRail service to Wimsby from Glasgow Central with 380101. This is 5K91, the 1413 ScotRail service to Crockerhill CSMD from Ayr CSD with 156474 and 156450 doing the service. Then this is 1F85, the 1450 ScotRail service to Ardrossan Harbour from Glasgow Central with 380108. This is 1W42, the 1426 ScotRail service Glasgow Central from Wimsby with 380005. Then this was the heavily delayed 391T, the delayed 1429 turned up at 1451 Network Rail service to Europe from Moss End Down Yard with D989306 doing the service. And I believe there to be signal failure at Line Bank, so this train was then delayed even more. Then 1K64 got delayed as well by 3 minutes. And then as 93 1T pulled away, that marked the end of my train spotting for the 6, because it was also starting to get quite cold as well. Then the next day there was a stupid fire alarm going off that I couldn't get rid of, so I'm sorry for that. However, this is 1K41, the 1610 ScotRail service to here from Glasgow Central with 38004 and 380022. My ears still bouncing from side to side of that stupid fire alarm. Here came 2G60, the 1613 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Gilmore with 380018. Then this was 1F71, the 1624 ScotRail service at Johnson Harbour from Glasgow Central with 380007. And then here she came on 036P, the 1633 direct rail service to Motherwell TMD DRS from Kilmarnock, Barclay SDGS with 63423.